everybody, this is Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. Today's tech tip is about BMW's Parking Assistant feature. Whether you're in a busy parking garage or a very tight city street, it's a very useful feature to have. So let me show you how it's done. For the Park Assist feature, we first start by pressing on the park sensor button, which is over here by your gear shifter. And as you drive through a parking lot, it's going to continuously scan for potential parking spaces. Once it finds one, we're going to get a few cues here. We get that audible cue, dings at us. There's also a key parking button that we hit on our screen. The turn signal comes on to tell us where the space is. So then we just simply follow what's on our screen. It says to start parking, take your hands off the steering wheel and release the foot brake, which I'll do now. Observe your surroundings, intervene if necessary. So I'm keeping my foot hovering over the foot brake just in case. But the car is going to make any necessary adjustments it needs to do to get into that parking space. Backs into the space and centers itself between the parking lines. And as it completes the process, the car is going to come to a stop. The turn signal is going to turn off. The car will be put in park and the parking brake is engaged. So that's BMW's Parking Assist feature. It'll make short work out of any tricky parking situation. To see that feature in person or any other feature in our cars, please pay us a visit here at BMW of Myrtle Beach.